In this video we're going to go over Builderall's SMS messaging tool. What is up guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video we're going to be talking about Builderall's SMS messaging tool. And Builderall's SMS messaging tool pretty much allows you to build a list of people's phone numbers. So instead of having an email autoresponder or people in a chatbot, you can build up a full autoresponder with SMS messaging. And I think SMS has probably the highest open rate of anything. WhatsApp is pretty high, above 90%, but I'm pretty sure SMS messaging is close to 100%, because who doesn't want to open an SMS? It's one of the most important forms of contact. So with SMS messaging, you can really reach pretty much everyone who signs up for your content. So before, when you collected people's phone numbers, you would have to message them one by one, person by person. But with the SMS messaging tool, you can message hundreds and even thousands of people at a time, as long as you have their permission to do that. You shouldn't be buying people's phone numbers or downloading people's phone numbers to use without their permission, and that's very, very important, because there are strict laws regarding sending mass communications to people who haven't opted in to hear from you. But if they have, then Builderall's own SMS tool makes it very easy and very cost effective to reach lots of people at a time when you have their phone numbers. So without further ado, let's jump in. This allows you to send mass messages to people instead of having to send them out one by one and automatically follow up. And you can also integrate this into the other tools, so Mailing Boss, the chatbot and stuff like that. So when people sign up to your chatbot, when people sign up to your Mailing Boss, you can have them input their phone numbers and they automatically get sent out automated campaigns and responses based on where they've entered their information. So really cool for following up. I don't need to tell you that SMS is probably the highest open rate of anything. I'm pretty sure it's 99%. I don't know about you, but I always look at my text messages above all else, above WhatsApp, above everything else. They're the first thing that pops up on anyone's mobile device. So it's a really, really powerful tool to use in your marketing. So you've got to buy credits. Obviously it's not free to send SMS through here. You set up your phone number, you connect it to the app, and then it's going to show you how much it's going to cost per text. So it's really, really cheap. You can see the full price list here. You can go through all the country codes to see exactly how much it's going to cost, but it is really, really cheap for what it is. And then once you've set it up, you can hook it up into your Mailing Boss and into the other tools to automatically send out follow-ups to people's SMS to their mobile phones. So there you have a quick overview of Builderall's SMS messaging tool. I hope you saw the value in the tool and how you can use it in your business and to reach more people than email, WhatsApp or chatbots. So if you did see the value and you are ready to get started with Builderall, if you haven't already, click the link in the description to start your 7-day free unlimited trial of all of the Builderall tools, including the Instagram autoresponder and all 29 plus tools that Builderall offers. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I'll see you in another video.